Hey everybody, this is Chris Bystead from Guaranty RV in Junction City. Boy, Coachmen did it again and they just knocked it out of the park with a really cool layout for a smaller trailer, mid-size trailer. It's a 231 MKS. It's got an enclosed underbelly. It's got the power awning, the outdoor speakers, really nice camping experience on the outside, double axle, everything that you really would want. The inside though is really special, really neat. Let me show it to you. So here we are, look at this, your rear living. So you got all these windows out the back where you have a great view. You can sit here in a couple comfortable chairs. This is also a jackknife. It'll make out into a bed. Nice size dinette as well. So you can seat several people, and the table can drop down. You can sleep 2 adults, which is really nice. It's nice and long. So you've actually got extra sleeping for 2 to 3, maybe even 4 people, depending on their size and what they like. You've got a wonderful workspace area here with drawers and cabinets for your food, 3-burner cook stove and oven with a fan and light and a microwave. Really nice nor cold refrigerator and freezer up top. Here's where your TV would go. You can put a smart TV there and just dial in all of your Wi-Fi channels like Netflix, Hulu, Amazon. And this is really cool. People dig this. A really nice step-in shower. Beautiful bathroom. It's very private. Creates a private space in between the bedroom and the actual trailer itself and the living room part of it. But you've got medicine cabinet, sink, toilet, everything that you need right here in a spacious shower behind glass doors. And in here you've got tons of storage space for clothing, shoes, and everything that you would need. Even storage underneath the bed right there. In a really nice private master bath, kind of an ensuite type of a situation here. And you do have a door that shuts here, a door that closes here, so it's just an added layer of privacy, and people really like that. This is a great trailer. We have several floor plans of these. I'm sure we got the right one for your family. I'd love to show them to you and find the right one. My name is Chris Bystead. Give me a call on my cell phone at 541-636-7878.